Muted.
Hi there, I'm Mark Sebastian, founder of OptionPit.com with the AM Volatility Report. Reminder, this is for educational purposes only. None of this should be considered investment advice. Options have risk. Consult your financial professional. A couple of things. We've got a webinar this Thursday, and our next event, Mastering Butterflies, our butterfly intensive, is going to be on, well, it's not going to be on February 23rd. It's going to be on, excuse me, it's going to be on March 11th. I don't know why that got put in wrong. So there you go, folks. It's on March 11th at starting at 9 Eastern. It's going to be $177. So a great deal. And then when we sell it in our course, when we sell it in our store, it's going to be $350. So half off to view it live, or you can pay double and see it recorded. So go to optionpit.com/events to check it out. Well, here we are. Happy Monday, happy Tuesday. Markets are much higher. We're up about 0.5%. The Russell's rallying. NASDAQ, everything up. VIX is up a little bit, but remember, we're coming off a long weekend. And when we come off a long weekend, we expect VIX to be up. So weekend adjusted, VIX is basically down, is the way we would look at it. You've got things moving kind of everywhere across the board. Everything's up. Apple's up a little bit. You got a nice move out of Amazon, nice move out of your Googles, and so you've got your GAF stocks other than Facebook up pretty nicely. Your financials are up again. J.P. Morgan, Goldman Sachs, they all continue to rally to make good moves. Some of the retailers are looking good. We still do have a few earnings this week. I'd point out like Nordstrom's is this week. You've got Square, which is one I'm watching, and you know, Fitbit, a couple of names. An interesting one that is this week is Barclays. That could be an interesting one to listen to. The European bank could be extremely, you know, that should have some insight there that maybe we're not getting everywhere else. Now, if you look at everything across the board, energy up the most, you get the financials up, and then everything's up kind of incrementally. Some of the consumer staples, some of the different ETFs, everything's up. Even utilities are up small around what's been happening. Retailers have been making a really nice move the last few days. I think they got a little overhated, and now they're doing a little better. So that's the way things look this morning. The landscape. Oil is up nicely. Gold is down a touch, and then obviously bonds that we've been keeping track of, they're back down a little bit after having a real nice pop the other day. Just looking specifically at VIX, vol continues to come in dramatically in VIX, and you can see IV30, VVIX is going to be below 70, below 80 today. IV30 getting slammed in VIX, so these things are down nicely, and we continue to see some continued softness in a bunch of these names. You know, so it looks like we may kind of, you know, looks like it wants to churn. Maybe not sell off a bunch, but we might be in this 11.5, 12 range here for a little bit. We're seeing a little more movement out of the S&P, you know, at least 9. You know, at least they're moving double digits again, and the futures are not falling off as much. But that's the way things do appear to be lining up. On the day, feels like we're going to creep higher, but I'm not sure. I'm just not sure how much more juice is going to come out of the S&P if we continue to move. You know, if we start moving 14, 12, 13, 14 points a day, 15, 16, 17 points a day, you're not going to have a VIX that hits single digits. All right, folks. On that note, I hope everyone has a great day. If you got questions, you can email me, mark@optionpit.com, or call me 888-TRADE-01. Be on the lookout for an email inviting you to a webinar later in the week. Have a good day.